Welcome everyone to part 3 of the 1-minute demo series to get you started with the SQL query module for Python. Let's go! This time I'll introduce the group by and having statements. The easiest way to implement the group by statement is at the initialization of the query object. The GB parameter is used for that and accepts strings or lists. An alternative way to adjust the group by part of the query is through the .groupBy method. This method can also clear all previously set group by information with the clear parameter. Notice that it's also not a problem to use SQL functions and aliases in the SL argument. Just insert a string as you would when writing an actual query. Let's have a look at the results of this query. To filter on the count field, we need a having statement instead of a where. To create one, use the .having method. This works exactly the same as the .where method from part 2, with all the same parameters. The only difference is that it returns a having statement after the group by statement. Here are the results.